Hello guys and welcome, and today I will show you how to build a gaming PC for $600. So let's check it out. The processor is the Intel Pentium G3258. This is the best choice for this build. It's clocked at 3.2 GHz, it's a dual core processor, and it has 3 MB of cache. This processor comes at $70. The motherboard is the MSI Z97 PC Mate. This motherboard is very great. It supports up to 32 GB of RAM, and also it supports 2 graphics cards in Crossfire, and also it has the new Intel Z97 chipset. That means that it supports the 4th gen and also the upcoming 5th gen CPUs. This motherboard comes at $100. The graphics card is a Gigabyte R927X. This is a very great choice for this build. This graphics card is very powerful. It can run any game at medium to high settings at 1080p. This graphics card has a core clock of 1050 MHz, a boost clock of 1100 MHz, and it has 2 GB of GDDR5 memory. This graphics card comes at $200. The hard drive is the Western Digital Blue 1TB. So this is a very great choice for this build. It's 7200 RPM, and also it has 64 MB of cache, and it has 1 TB of space, which is very enough for all our stuff. This hard drive comes at $60. The RAM is the Kingston HyperX Red. This is a very great choice for this build. It's 1600 MHz, and also it has an 8 GB of space, which is very enough for gaming. This RAM comes at $75. The case is the Corsair 200R. So this is a very great choice for this build. It has great airflow and also great build quality, and also it has USB 3.0, and this case is very easy to work in for beginners. This case comes at $60. The power supply is the EVGA 500 watt power supply. So this is a very great power supply. It's 80 plus efficiency, and also it has 500 watt of wattage, so it will be very enough for this build. This power supply comes at $45. Thanks for watching guys. Be sure to like, subscribe and comment, and I will see you guys in the next one.